Hello everyone, this is Paukshte Fashion Workshop. I remind you that we post new videos every day. I also want to remind you that some of my video courses are already available. Buy them if you haven't done it yet. I would really appreciate your support. Today I want to give you a review of this nice home set. It consists of a nice dress cut on a bias, made of silk, and a light chiffon robe. The print of fabrics is identical. Such companion fabrics look nice. I also want to show you some other companion fabrics today. I love working with them. Such sets look very beautiful. These are dolman sleeves. Both the dress and the robe are very comfortable. You can also wear such robe on top of a swimsuit when going to a seaside or just to a pool. You can also wear these dress separately. Use it as a night dress or a home dress. I love this set. I also think that I can wear this dress when, for example, going to a seaside. What do you think? It looks just like a dress cut in a bias. There is a waistband in the robe. The waistband turns into a splendid bow on the front. Have a close look at the set once again. I've shown you how to make such dresses cut on the bias not a very long time ago. Watch the videos if you haven't done it yet. I recommend you making tight shoulders. Such dresses don't look good when there are wide shoulders in them. Have a close look at this outfit once again. I'm going to take it off and put it on the table to show you the wrong side. Such sets made of companion fabrics with identical print look very unusual. They look absolutely amazing. There are different combinations here. This is silk and chiffon. I love this print. These are Gucci style fabrics. This is also silk and chiffon. There are also striped fabrics. Imagine how would a dress cut on a bias look like made of this fabric, with a rope on top of it. Amazing. These fabrics are also very beautiful. Learn to combine fabrics. You can choose any color and any print you like. Next, I want to take these garments off to put them on the table for you to see everything clearly. I put the garments on the table. Have a look at the robe. There are dolman sleeves in it. The sleeves are pretty loose. You can make them even wider. There is also a wide overcast in the sleeves, about 8 centimeters. The dress is edged with a bias tape made of the same fabric. The waistband is wide and pretty long. It's made of chiffon edged with a rolled hem. The waistband makes the robe look very beautiful. The overcast at the bottom is also pretty wide, about 10 centimeters. The side seams were edged with a French hem. I think that it's enough about the robe. Let's have a look at the dress. There is nothing special in edging. Rolled hem, overlocker, bias tape. The dress cut in the bias is very comfortable, and it hides the figure flows. I've shown you how to make such dresses cut in the bias not a very long time ago. This technique is very useful. The armhole and the neckline were edged with the bias binding. The side seams were edged with the overlocker. The bottom was edged with the rolled hem. It's very important to make an accurate neckline. It should be of a very beautiful shape both in the front and the back. In my case, the width of the shoulder is less than 4 centimeters. Have a look at them. I wanted to learn to combine fabrics. It's not necessary to combine fabrics of similar print. You can, for example, use a single colored fabric for a dress and a printed fabric for a robe. Such set would also look absolutely amazing. I believe that we should not only carefully select our outfits for work or some meetings, but we also need to take care of our look at home. And no matter if anybody watches us at home, our appearance and clothes influence our mood. When we look amazing, we also feel amazing. That's all for today. Be different and beautiful. My name is Paukshte Irina. Buy my courses, subscribe to my channel, write comments, share the videos, press like and the bell buttons. I would really appreciate your support. Thank you. Goodbye.